Imagine risking it all in the name of science, only to end in disaster. From psychological torture to nuclear nightmares, these 10 real-life experiments prove that curiosity sometimes comes at a terrifying cost. Ash 1. The Stanford Prison Experiment, 1971. A psychological study that spiraled into chaos. Volunteers acted as guards and prisoners. Within days, cruelty and abuse became shockingly real. 2. The Russian Sleep Experiment, myth turned nightmare. While often believed to be creepypasta, real Soviet sleep deprivation studies in the 1940s mirrored parts of this legend. Participants reportedly lost their sanity. 3. Project MKUltra, CIA mind control program. In the 1950s and 70s, the CIA secretly dosed people with LSD to control minds. Many victims had no idea they were part of the experiment. 4. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study, year 1932-1972. Hundreds of black men were told they'd receive free health care, but were secretly denied treatment to study the effects of untreated syphilis. 5. Operation Crossroads, 1946. U.S. Navy tested nuclear bombs on ships full of animals to study radiation effects. The aftermath was brutal and radioactive. 6. Unit 731. Japan's secret biological warfare unit. During WW12, Japan performed horrific human experiments, vivisections, frostbite tests, and more. It's one of history's darkest secrets. 7. The Monster Study, 1939. Orphan children were used in a stuttering experiment. Some were psychologically scarred for life after being constantly criticized. 8. Operation Sea Spray, 1950. The U.S. military sprayed bacteria over San Francisco to test bioweapons. People got sick and never knew why. 9. The Milgram Experiment, 1961. Participants were told to shock others for wrong answers. Most obeyed, even as screams came from behind the wall, a chilling look into human obedience. 10. The Beagle to Mars mission, 2003. The UK sent a robot to Mars. Everything looked perfect until the lander never responded. It crash landed due to a poorly tested deployment system. Science pushes boundaries, but sometimes it crosses dangerous lines. Which of these experiments shocked you the most? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts every week.